Welcome all. In this lecture, we are going to learn about servo motor. So, a servo motor is generally an electric motor which works on the principle of servo mechanism. Servo motor are closed loop electric motor. Why it is known as a closed loop electric motor? Because in the basic diagram of a servo motor, here is a feedback loop which makes the servo motor a closed loop electric motor. Also, here is an error detector into which the input is applied. The output of this error detector is being applied to the control logic element. Control logic element is directly being connected with motor, which is a rotating part, and the output of this motor is given as a feedback. So the position sensor as a feedback is being applied to the error detector. So error detector will then calculate the error and then generate the output. So this is the overall functionality of servo motor. A servo mechanism is a closed loop control system in which small input is controlled a larger output power. So according to the servo mechanism, in case of the servo motor, here is a small input that is applied to the control system, and this small input will control the larger power, that is larger output. A servo motor usually drive final control element. So here is a control element, and the basic functionality of servo motor is to drive the final control element, that is this element. Now let us discuss about the types of servo motor. So there are generally two types of servo motor. First one is AC servo motor and second one is DC servo motor. In the next lecture, we are going to learn about both these motor separately, and this is the basic introduction about the servo motor. Thank you.